For this small group lesson, we're going to do 4 easy subtraction problems. Each problem will get progressively more difficult, so it'll be harder than the last one. For all of these problems, we're going to use the arrow method to solve. The arrow method's pretty simple, but you might not have seen it before. Here's our first problem. 570 minus 100. 570 minus 100. You use an arrow in between to tell you what the next part is. So 570 and we could just start by taking away 100. We don't have to break it into a smaller number. So 570, take away 100, and again we have a place value chart. We have 500s, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All we got to do is take away 100. Now I have 400s left. 470. If I wanted to make it harder, I could say 570 minus 110. Now I'll have to add an extra step. 570, we use our arrow and we take away 100. That equals 470. But we use another arrow to take away 10. That's 460. There's our answer. How about 450 minus 210? 450 minus 210. Don't worry about how to solve it up here. Let's just write the number 450, then draw your arrow. You could start by taking away 100. So 450 minus 100 equals 350. Minus another 100 equals 250. And then minus 10 equals 240. All we're doing is skip counting. Each time we make a jump, we mark how much we jump by. $780 minus 390. There's many different ways to get the same solution. I'm going to start with my number 780, then draw an arrow. I bet I can take away 300s from 780. 780 minus 300 is 480. Then now I still have 90 to take away. I can start by taking away 80. 480 minus 80 is 400. But I still have 10 left in 90, so I'll take away one more 10. 390. That was a challenging problem. Are you ready for another challenge? 440 minus 260. Start with my biggest number. Draw my arrow. Well, I can start by taking away the hundreds. You can just take away 200. Or if you want to, you can do a smaller skip of 100. 440 minus 200 is 240. Do another arrow. 240. Well, we can't take away 60 all at once. That's too big of a jump, but we can take away 40. And then we can, that gives us 200. And then we can take away another 20. So that's the arrow method. And the arrow method is just like skip counting, but you're taking away this number one little chunk at a time. All right, until next time.